Well, the water was drying up. It's all flooded over there by the lab again. Heck, it's all flooded everywhere again. This just isn't my summer, let me tell you. Holy cow, is it raining. We don't see rains this hard during hurricanes. It's crazy. I got a scrap pickup I got to do tomorrow. Got the trailer on anyway before it started. Oh, brother. Here's our front yard. If this keeps up much longer, I'm going to have to trade in my truck for a submarine. It's a good thing the house is built up about 3 feet. It doesn't flood anyway. Wow, is it raining.